little video on a T-series here. If you do find, for example, you go into CarPlay or like radio and like the volume's a bit different, under like settings here and like audio, sound gain, there's a few different like volume levels here. So this like others level is going to control your CarPlay Android Auto sound. Obviously like radio is going to do like radio. Music's going to do direct music if you're playing it from like it's like a USB on device. Video is the same, direct video on the device. Bluetooth like music only if you're just using straight like Bluetooth, but majority of people are going to be using Android Auto or CarPlay. So it's going to be the bottom one here. AUX is AUX, and like Navi volumes if you have a direct like navigation installed on the actual like unit. So majority of people, like main things are going to be like others is your CarPlay, like Android Auto, like radio is the top, and like Navi if you were actually having so like an actual navigation installed directly on here. For example, like a Magic Earth or something.